5 to the m plus 5 to the n equal to 750. We want to find m and n. M and n are integers. So in first case, suppose that m and n are, let's say, at least 0. Then here we say, okay, it's 5 to the m, 5 to the n. Both of them cannot be 0. It's 750. And we say, okay, we can divide both sides by, let's consider something. Without loss of generality, suppose m is greater than equal n. So for example, m is equal to n plus k, which k is at least 0. Okay, so we say 5 to the m is n plus k plus 5 to the n equal to 750. Now, we know 5 to the n plus k is 5 to the n times 5 to the k plus 5 to the n equal to 750. Now, we write it as 5 to the n times 5 to the k plus 1 equal to 750. We can say 750 is, if we prime factorize, it's 75 times 10. 75 is 25 times 3 times 5 times 2. So it will be 5 cubed times 3 times 2, which is 6. So because this part is power of 5, this part is not multiple of 5, so we conclude this part should be 5 cubed, this part should be 6. So n equal to 3 because 5 to the n is 5 cubed, and 5 to the k plus 1 is 6, so k is 1. So m was what? N plus k, so m is 4. So one answer for m and n, let me write all the answers. n3, m4. But we said without loss of generality, m greater than equal n, so you should switch the answers, 3, 4. Because the problem is symmetric with respect to m and n. Now, we should consider if one of them negative or if both of them negative. This case is easy because if one of them is negative, it won't be integer. Okay, so let's 5 to the m plus 5 to the n. Let me write again. 5 to the m plus 5 to the n equal to 750. Now case 2, suppose one of them is negative, one of them positive. For example, without loss of generality, m is less than or equal 0, less than 0, n greater than or equal 0. Then 5 to the m is not integer. Why? Because, for example, if m is negative 1, 5 to the negative 1 is 1 over 5. 5 to the negative 2 is 1 over 25. By definition of powers in negative numbers. So 5 to the m is not integer. 5 to the n, because n is at least 0, is integer. So sum of them, 5 to the m plus 5 to the n, won't be integer. This is 750. So we proved that 750 is not integer, which is contradiction. Now let's analyze case 3. In case 3, suppose both of them are less than 0 and less than 0. So from here we conclude 5 to the m is less than or equal 1, because look, it is 1 over 5 or 1 over 25 and so on. And also we can say 5 to the n is less than or equal 1, or we can say it's strictly less than 1. So let me raise less than 1, less than 1. So 5 to the m plus 5 to the n will be less than 2. But we know it is 750, which again 750 less than 2. Contradiction. Okay, so we've reached contradiction for case 2 and 3. So we proved our only answer is m equal 4 and 3 or 3 and 4. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks, bye.